Yes, hi everyone. Stop loss once again from Traders 256. I'm just here to give you analysis. AUD USD, that's the pair that we're going to be looking at. Yeah, so when you look at this pair, it did create what we call a new low. That's on a weekly chart, breaking up below this previous lowest point. Okay, so now what we need from here is a retrace of this pair. Then we have its continuous sells to the downside. That is the overall picture that I'm looking at. So now I have to scale down the smaller time frame to give me detail now. Detail of what is happening on how it's going to be, how the market's going to play out. So I had this counter trend line actually, which I drew, which was broken. Okay. And then one thing that stands out for me is what? This break of structure, breaking above this previous highest point. And now this push to the downside here is the retest of this structure and also the trend line. Then we'll be looking forward for that continuous buys. Okay, so let me just remove that. If I look at if I draw my fib and try giving you my target zone will be around here. Okay, that's where my negative 61.8 is, and that's where I am looking at actually pushing this market up to around that level, because for those of you who have been following me, negative 61.8 is always my reversal zone, yeah, and my target area. So if I'm to take that trade, which I already did because of the four high lower time frames, I'll be taking that trade up to around that level. So guys, those of you who are trading this, you can also see how to get it. But like another nugget here is you can also wait for the break of this trend line. Here is counter trend line, and then you take a trade that whereby you will be actually more very comfortable. Wait for this break of this trend line and then give me a retest of the trend line, then you get in for that push to the upside. So that is how I'm trading actually AUD USD. That's the Australian dollar, US dollar, or Aussie dollar. So from what I see, I'm looking at a bullish move next week. And so guys, away from that, if you want more information about what we do, you can follow us on TikTok. If you have any questions, you can follow us on our YouTube channels or our X or Twitter channels. So basically, away from that, I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading.